Today we're about to put the boat on the trailer. We're with Simmons Towings again. Last time he was a very great guy. He helped us put on the trailer. Very good customer service. And yeah, that's what we're gonna try and do. We're gonna see if my F-150 can hold it as well.
Alright everyone, so I was just joking about seeing if my truck can pull it. That boat is 16,000 pounds, and I think the trailer is 2,000 pounds, and just pulling that trailer with my truck, it pushes my truck forward. So I'm going to probably use my dad's dually. I'm probably going to rent a truck to pull it out the yard, and then after that I'll probably just use my dad's dually to take it different places. But yes, I'm not using my truck. Just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. You cannot tow this boat with a F-150. I was joking when I said that. But yeah, here we go. We're about to get ready to go up there and get ready and get all set up before Simmons Towings get there. Alright everyone, let's head to the truck. The reason why I'm using my F-150 is just to save a little gas here. Don't necessarily need a big truck just because we're just sitting the boat on the trailer today. We're not taking it anywhere. So I use my truck to take it up there to the boat. So a little bit about this trailer. This is a 45-foot trailer. The boat, obviously, as you guys know, is a 31-foot boat. It got 3 7K axles, which adds up to 21,000 pounds that it can tow over the axles basically. And the trailer has 2 10-inch beams on it as well. So it's way more than enough than what I need for the boat. The boat is about, I think it's like 10,000 pounds dry, 16,000 pounds fully loaded with gas and water. So we should be pretty good there. The span of the trailer, I believe it's 8'6". The boat has a beam of 11 feet, which is okay because we're not trying to support the whole boat. We're trying to support most of the boat and keep it just stable on the trailer. But as you guys can see, this is a very long trailer. That's me pulling out the driveway. So I'm almost driving like a semi-truck down the street. So I hope you guys are really enjoying this because it's a little stressful for me just to try and do all this stuff because I've never really done it before. And you know, I'm learning as I go, and I just got to be careful. This is me entering the highway here. My truck pulled the trailer pretty good, but you know, the boat on it is going to be a completely different thing. And then this is me getting ready to turn onto the street to where the boat is at. As you guys know, y'all should be familiar with this area because this is where we do a lot of the work on the boat, or where we did a lot of the work on the boat. We're about to get ready to move it in a couple of weeks or so. But yeah, so we're gonna do a quick little turnaround, pull in the gate, and then we're gonna get set up for Simmons Towing. Want to make sure that we get out there, get there early, just so we don't get charged for not being on time, because Rotators, they charge by the hour. I learned that up in Kentucky. So just luckily Simmons Towing, we good friends with him, so he gave us a little extra time the last time. If you guys ever need a tow truck, I would definitely recommend Simmons Towing. He's very fair, does business very well, and he's very respectful. He had an accident, but he's still able to get stuff done for you. So definitely recommend Simmons Towing. If you have any towing needs, semi-trucks, you got to pick up boats, train fall over. I don't know if it can pick up a train, but it may can. But I would definitely recommend Simmons Towing, and I would tell you to use them as much as you can. Here we go, let's get started.
Hey guys, if you're in the Atlanta area, Simmons Trucking, you ever need towing, he has the Superman. It's a Rotator.
I would like to give a huge shout out to my dad for helping me with this video. He does a great job doing this stuff, and I would just like to say thank you, Dad. Couldn't done it without you.
You're working right quick. How many trucks you got in your fleet?
About 6.
About 6 trucks.
I got hit by a train. Over there on Roosevelt Highway by my shop 5 months ago.
Wow. So how old is this truck?
This is 2023.
2023. And you guys see his equipment is kept up, it's good, and everything works. So if you're in the Atlanta area and you need a tow truck for a semi, call Simmons.
Take it off the truck and leave in front of the trailer. You don't have to leave, take the trailer off the truck, leave in front of the trailer down to the ground. Put the blocks up under it, raise up the back, and slide the straps out. That's one gonna be in the back. That's how we're gonna get the one in the back. Front, I don't know how we're gonna be out.
Hey, yo, man, grab them right there for me.
Yeah, guys, so we're basically talking about how we're going to take the straps off the boat. So basically, we're just going to lean the front of the boat down, put some blocks up under the back, and then lift it back up, and then that will lift the back of the boat off the trailer, and then we can slide the strap off from up under it. And we're going to do the same thing for the front. Sorry for the moonshot right here, guys. That's because I
What
have a
can't you
belt,
haul?
but you know, it is what it is. I'm working hard, and thanks again, Simmons, for everything. Let's continue.
Except
And
for
we're about to get ready to try and lift this boat on the trailer. This 16,000 pound boat on the 21,000 pound trailer. Should be more than enough trailer.
So it's good to see you all right from after the accident.
Shit, I lost a kidney. I'm fucked up.
Oh, wow.
Lost a kidney, broke my pancreas, broke all my lungs. I'm cut. Lost my, well, I broke my pancreas.
Grab that, Rick.
Alright. I'm weak in the water, boy. 5 months ago now, I got hit on Roosevelt Highway. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures of my truck. Y'all want to Alright. Do that with you, baby. Alright, you do.
So, what we doing today, sir?
Today we're about to put the boat on the trailer. We're with Simmons Towings again. Last time he was a very great guy. He helped us put on the trailer. Very good customer service. And yeah, that's what we're gonna try and do. We're gonna see if my F-150 can hold it as well. But yeah, like I was saying, yeah, that's what we're about to do. We're about to put the boat on the trailer. Just one step closer to putting it in the water. I want you guys to remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right, here we go. I'm about to put the drone up in the air.
So with me being so close to actually having this boat complete, I'm gonna start looking for me a camera person. I plan on moving down to Savannah or the surrounding area. So if you're in the Savannah area and you like boating and you have to know how to swim as well, then if you would like to be part of my YouTube channel, let me know. I definitely pay per video if that's what you want, or if you just want to come have fun and go fishing and hang out and help me record, or if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and want to do some stuff like this with me, just let me know. But like I said, I be down in the Savannah area. But here I just kind of did a drone shot and just had the drone just orbit us while we were getting everything set up. I didn't have enough time to reset the drone up after the battery went dead. Once we backed it up under the trailer, I just wanted to make sure that we got it on there and then just didn't get overcharged. So that's why I need another person. So if you're interested, hit me in my DM on Instagram or on the Facebook. Y'all can reach out to me there and we can talk and we can make something happen. But yeah, so this is what I am doing right now. We're gonna put the boat on the trailer and we're gonna go from there.
All right, thank you, Simmons. You did a great job, sir.
So that was a very pleasant experience there. Simmons did a great job. The boat's on the trailer. It's nice and safe and everything's level. Not too much tongue weight. And it looks like it'll work. So now we just have to get it out the yard and take it down and test it out and see if everything will work and get all the paperwork on it. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video right here. G-Storm out. Much love.